It's going.
Come on that way,
Okay.
okay? Wanna get over there or something?
Alright, this is good. That was... Oh my...
Still going! Oh shit!
Dude!
Oh shit! Buzzard got it.
Oh my god, a bird hit it. That's what we're going with.
Yeah, a bird. Yeah.
A blind bird. Like the ones off those commercials. They're like breaking shit. Making people crash into... Oh my god.
You're putting that up on YouTube, dude.
Yeah?
That's fucking crazy.
Is that what it came off?
Oh, dude, this isn't broken.
What broke then? Oh, the
light bulb
bulb
inside of it.
Oh, that's so lucky.
Holy shit. We just need a light bulb. We're done. Oh shit. Nothing happened.
Yeah, that's right. You kicked a thing from like
fucking
a ways away. That was awesome.
Okay.